Good morning to all. 7th Standard Biology. Chapter 12 Reproduction in Plants. Students, I hope all are read the lesson. Okay. All are take your science book. Okay. Again, I recall this lesson, reproduction in plants. Okay, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing new individual from the parents. Okay, the two modes of reproduction, two kinds of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. The first one, asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without the production of seeds or vegetative propagations. Okay. In sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds. The different methods of asexual reproduction are vegetative propagation, budding, fragment and spore formation. The four varieties of asexual reproduction you studied. Okay. Vegetative propagation, budding, fragment and spore formation. Vegetative propagation means the stem, the new plants are produced from stem, node, leaf, root, etc. Okay. Then budding, fragmentation and spore formation. Next we goes to a sexual reproductions. Is the most common mode of reproduction in plants. Okay. It involves the fusion of male and female gametes resulting in the formation of a zygote. This is sexual reproductions. Plants reproductive vegetatively from the root, stem and leaves. Flowers are the reproductive organ of plants. Okay, flowers are the reproductive organ of the plants. Stamens are the male reproductive part and the pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. A stamen contains a long slant of filament and anther. Anther contains pollen grains, microscopic structures that hold the male reproductive cells of plants. Okay. The pistil, next to the pistil consists of a stigma, style and ovary. Ovary contains one or more ovules. Then flowers which contain either only a pistil or only a stamen are called unisexual. All are listen. Flower which contain both stamens and pistils are bisexual. Unisexual means flowers which contain either only the pistil or only the stamen. This is called unisexual flowers. Unisexual flower example corn, papaya, cucumber. Okay. Then bisexual example mustard plant, rose and petunia. Okay. Next we goes to a pollination process. That process is a transfer of pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of the same or another flower. There are two kinds of pollination. One is self-pollination, then another one is cross-pollination. Self-pollination means the pollen grains are transferred from the another anther to the stigma of the same flower. Self-pollination means the pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. Then the cross-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same kind. Okay, another flower of the same kind. Pollination or transfer of pollens may happen through wind, water, insect and animals. These are called agent of pollinations. Okay. Then pollination is followed by fertilization. For example, the fusion of the fertilization means the fusion of the male and female gamete resulting in the formation of a zygote. Okay. The fusion of the male and female gamete is called, it forms a zygote. Zygote is the fertilized eggs and develop into an embryo. Okay. After fertilization, ovary develop into a fruit and ovules from seeds. Next, seed dispersal. The seed dispersed from water, mineral and sunlight and also animals. Okay. The seed dispersal prevents overcrowding and helps the plants to avoid competition for water, minerals and sunlight. Okay. The seed dispersal prevents overcrowding and help the plants to avoid competition of water, mineral and sunlight also. Okay. Today we goes to a book back exercise. Allah, take your science book, take a page number 141. Take a page number 141. Allah, take your pencil only. Don't use pen. Listen ma, you use only a pencil. Okay. The first one, fill in the blanks. A. Production of new individuals from the vegetative part of parent is called vegetative propagation. What are vegetative part? Stem, leaf, node, etc. These are called upper part. The plant's upper part is called vegetative part. Okay. The production of a new individual from the vegetative part of parent is called vegetative propagation. The answer is red in color. The answer is given red in color. Okay. Then B. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called dash. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called unisexual. What answer? Unisexual. Okay. Then C. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or of another flower of the same kind is known as self-pollination. Okay, that is called self-pollination. Okay. Then D. The fusion of male and female gamete is termed as dash. The fusion of a male and female gamete is termed as fertilization. What answer? Fertilization. E. Seed dispersal takes place by means of dash, dash and dash. Seed dispersal takes place by means of air, wind, animals, human beings. Okay, the answer is air, wind, animal, human beings. Okay. Then we goes to 9th question in your book. Match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. First one, column 1. A. Bud. B. Eyes. C. Fragmentation. D. Wings. E. Spores. In column 2, 1. Maple. Second one, Spirogyra. Third one, yeast. Fourth one, bread mold. Fifth one, potato. Sixth one, rose. Okay. The column 1 is matched to the column 2. The first question, bud. The bud is matched to the column 2. Third answer, yeast. Okay. Bud formation, budding. You already studied budding. This is undergoing vegetative propagations. Okay. Asexual reproductions. Okay. Asexual reproduction. Budding. Best example, A. east. Okay, third one is the correct answer. The answer is red in color. The answer is given red in color. You see the slide. The second one, eyes. Column 2, fifth one, potato is the right answer. The eyes is matched to the fifth one, potato. Okay. Then C, fragmentation. The fragmentation is matched to the column 2, Spirogyra. Okay. What answer? Spirogyra. D, wings. The column 1, D, wings. It matched to the column 2, one maple. First one, maple. Okay. Then E, spores. The spores, it matched to the column 2, bread mold. Okay. Listen, ma. Once again I said bud, bread, bud yeast. Then eyes, potato. Fragmentation, Spirogyra. Wings, maple. Spores, bread mold. Okay. Then we goes to the 10th one. Tick the correct answer. The answer is red in color. The correct answer is red in color. A. The reproductive part of a plant is the first one, leaf. B, stem. C, root. Then flower. Okay. The reproductive part of a plant is the flower. The right answer is flower. Okay. The fourth one is the right answer. Okay. Then the second question, the process of fusion of the male and female gametes is called. The process of fusion of the male and female gametes is called. The first one, fertilization. The second one, pollination. The third one, reproduction. The fourth one, seed formation. The first one is the correct answer, fertilization. The male and female gamete, the process of fusion of the male and female gamete is called fertilization is the right answer. Okay. Then C, mature ovary forms the seed. Second one, stamen. Third one, pistil. Fourth one, fruits. Mature ovary forms the fruits. The fruit is the right answer. Then the fourth one, a spore producing organisms is the first one, rose. The second one, bread mold. The third one, potato. The fourth one, ginger. A spore producing organism is the second one, bread mold is the right answer. Okay. Then the E, bryophyllum can reproduce by its first one, stem. Second one, leaves. Third one, roots. Fourth one, flower. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves is the right answer. Okay, students, all mark the answer in your book. Okay, we use only a pencil. Okay, don't use pen. Okay, next session we will meet the book back question answer. Okay, thank you.